Hi, Chris from Florida Drone Supply, back again with another Before You Fly video. This time, we are featuring the DJI Air 3. To get started, you're going to want to prepare your aircraft for the first time use. First, we're going to start by gently removing the gimbal protector. To do this, turn the aircraft over and slightly press down on the gimbal protector to release the clips from the notches at the bottom of the aircraft body. Next, we're going to want to activate the intelligent flight batteries for the first time by charging them. If you purchased your aircraft but not the flymore kit, then we recommend using the DJI USB-C Power Adapter. Connect directly into the USB-C to the back of the aircraft and it will be fully charged in approximately an hour and 20 minutes. For those of you that did get the flymore combo, which is highly recommended, you can also charge the batteries by using the all-new DJI Air 3 battery charging hub by connecting with a USB-C power adapter. The batteries will take approximately an hour to charge this way. Once your aircraft is fully charged, your next step is to attach the propellers. You will notice when opening the packages that house the propellers, they are labeled A and B, and this is to indicate proper attachment location for each propeller. Start with the propellers labeled A. These have a gray circle mark that match the motors they will be attached to. Hold the motor with one hand and press the propeller down with the other hand. Rotate in the direction of the arrow. Next, you will do the same attachment style with propellers B, which have no markings, to the motors with no markings as well. Once your propellers are properly set, it's time to move on to preparing your remote controller. With the DJI Air 3, you have two current options for remote control depending on your needs: the DJI RC2 and the DJI RC-N2. Let's go over how to set up both, starting with the DJI RC2. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots and screw each joystick into place on the front face of the remote. Next, carefully unfold the antennas by lifting them up. And to power on the controller, press, then press again and hold the power button. Now, follow the on-screen prompts to finish the activation process of the controller. If you are using the DJI RC-N2 remote controller, you will need to first remove the control sticks from their storage located at the bottom of the controller and place them on the front of the controller. Once those are secure, pull out the mobile device holder and choose the appropriate cable to connect to the mobile device that will be used with this controller. You will notice that both a lightning connector cable and a USB-C cable were included in the packaging. After your remote controller is activated, the next step is to activate the DJI Air 3 aircraft. We will do this by first pressing the power button and then press and hold the power button to power on the aircraft, similar to how we powered on the controller. An internet connection is required for activation so that you can follow along to the on-screen prompts shown in the DJI Fly app. Their aircraft should be bound to the remote controller automatically after activation. If automatic binding fails, follow the on-screen prompts on the DJI Fly app to bind the aircraft and the remote controller. Remember, when new firmware updates are available, a prompt will appear in the DJI Fly app. And for optimal user experience, it is suggested to always update the firmware whenever possible. For more info about the DJI Air 3, go ahead and click that link in the description below. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.